Okay, I have my eyebrows done per usual. So I'm just going to put some concealer on my full lid and use a more sponge. And oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see, I have a huge zit right there. Not okay. And I'm wearing my sweater from Xoxo. Fun times. Okay. What palette should I use? Why is my eye hurting? Okay. Still deciding on what palette I should use. I think I'm going to use my blood sugar palette. I know I've already used it, but I'm going to use it again, so. Oh, and by the time this goes up, it's probably going to be way later, but I did post a video, but where I live, I don't have Wi-Fi yet, so I had to post it on, like, just using my data, and it still says it's processing, but it's been processing for about all day. Like, is it going to upload? Because I'm doing what I need to do, but it ain't working. Anyway, okay, I think I'm going to pack the shade Root Canal all over my lid. Just like right there. And I'm actually going to make it like extend out there. Okay, and now I'm going to do that to the other way. Okay. Now that we have that done, we are going take another brush and blend it. So I'm just going to take a fluffier brush and I'm just going to use that same color just very lightly and blend it. I'm going back to the brush with no product. Those done. Tarte Shape Tape. Use this tiny concealer brush. This shade Beam from my Venus 3 palette. Using my Alec liquid eyeliner. And I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and I have my lashes on. I just used my Dodo lashes in the style 115, Deep 115. Jeez. So yep, these are it. And I'm gonna move on to my foundation, even though it's pretty much the same thing every time. But what else do I have to film? So today I'm gonna be using my Milani Prep and Brighten Rose Drops. I don't really use these because I'm afraid they're like breaking out my face, but let's try it. So, use my Jeffree Star Blue Freeze lip scrub. Actually, I'm going to, I think, try my NARS foundation. This has been, it's like really old. And I remember I didn't like this foundation because, for one, it's like $60. The girl, it was me and my mom who went. I'm pretty sure the girl just wanted us to buy it so much because we were buying two of everything, one for her, one for me. And so we were like, yeah, help us with the foundation. And she takes us to this one, $60. You just made $120 in one sale. And yeah, it is so runny. That's the reason why I didn't like it. Oh yeah, that is pretty white.
I want you.
Okay, so those, I think I did like, I don't even know how many pumps I did, like 2 or 3. And that filled almost my whole face, so come on, I need like a half a drop on my forehead. So, okay, that's annoying. That whole first like little bit I just put on was so runny. This one was not at all. Yeah, so $60, yours. Okay, I'm gonna use it because I used the foundation, so the NARS Radiant Concealer, I'm pretty sure, and this is in the shade Vanilla, and I actually really like it, so I need to buy it like full size. And now I do really like this concealer. Honestly, like, it blends and looks better kind of than Shape Tape to me, but then later in the day it's not good. But that is probably just my eyes because I have really creasy eyelids underneath. I'm gonna take this Maybelline New York concealer in the shade Cafe, and I'm just gonna use this to contour my face. And for sake of, since it's late at night, I am like running out of my Too Faced Born This Way powder, so I am just going to be using my Airspun powder. Now it's only like November 6th, but we already had our Christmas trees up. Yeah. And usually that's not me. I'm not one to just hurry up and put it up already, like right after Halloween, but you know what? I have a house. I missed Halloween. The least I can do is put my tree up. Matte Fit Me powder. Freaking $40 Born This Way foundation. Not foundation, powder this time. By the way, I really want to try that foundation. Too Faced Born This Way. I have never tried that, and I know James Charles likes it. Stuff like that, so I really want to try it. And then for contour, you know, my Kylie contouring shade Khaki. I want to change Austin's new palette. Look at that. Anyways, yeah. So I really want his new palette. Anyone want to buy it for me? Please do. It's kind of a weird palette. Like, there's not colors in there I would ever use, I don't think. But I love him, and I've been watching Shane like since the start, so I need his palette. He should have made a piggy palette to where it's all just a million shades of pinks and purples and glitters and oh my god. Piggy palette. Blush and shadow. Oh, that's the shade Bare Minimum, I think. Oh my god. That was, oh my god, and it's sticking. Well, I'm gonna have some red ass cheeks right there. Brush we were using for shading with that leftover purple thing, brick now. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that on your mouth. The Tarteiste mascara. This honestly is my favorite, one of my favorite mascaras. Okay. Okay, this shake part, I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. That's like gone, it's really shooting me. So I'm just gonna be using my Fenty highlighter. And then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Glow Kit in the shade Starburst and Gumdrop. Notice my camera is really about to die, so thank God I really just finished. So yeah, another pink look created by me, Alicia. So if you guys enjoyed today's look and today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm really gonna try and post this video as soon as possible. So yeah, thank you guys, see you next time.